Hello Cancer, this is your December reading 2021, and if you have Cancer in your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, you can watch this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. So I will pull 3 cards. First card will be the first 10 days of December. Second card is the mid 10 days of December, and the third card will be the last 10 days of December. Okay. So this is a general reading, Cancer, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest for others. Okay. And Cancer, one thing I want to tell you all that so Cancer, these cards will only tell the possibilities, and this is going to give you direction message. Okay, so yeah, this is not your final destination, so yeah, take what resonates with you and leave the rest for others. What we have for Cancer for the mid 10 days and for the last 10 days. Your overall energy is 9 of Wands. Okay, you are working hard towards something, and 3 of Wands, lots of Wands. Okay, we have we only receive Wands card here for you, Cancer. The element represents here is Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Wands is a very fiery energy. And look at this Wands, like 9 of Wands, 3 of Wands, 2 of Wands and the 5 of Wands. Here what I'm seeing is you are just going through a lots of conflicting situation or very competitive situation, very competitive environment around you, which makes you very which makes you very competitive, very restless. Here, as I'm seeing, you are planning something. Maybe you are going to plan some abroad trip, or maybe you are just going to start some business, some career in abroad, and whatever the situation, whatever the competition around you, you are just standing in your ground. And maybe here I'm seeing that you have faces a lots of failure in your life. Maybe it's your love life, maybe it's your career or business. So you have faces a lots of competitive environment, a lots of just competition around you. So that's why you are very feeling like very very 9 of Wands is a card of you are injured, you are just now in a position like you are thinking that I'm going to give up this situation. Okay, so yeah, this is showing me your strength here, Cancer, that like you are not giving up this situation or never surrender, or maybe you are facing very competitive environment, some cancellation in your life, some just taking everything, you are saying that everything is delaying and just cancelling around you, or just maybe it's your health situation. Like this card is also showing me some sickness and some health issues. Okay, and something which is taking very long time. That's why you are waiting and you have to decide something which is taking very long time. Maybe it's your marriage situation, you are waiting for your marriage, and your environment is very conflicting. I think you are just frustrated, you are just very depressed with your environment right now. Okay, but it is going to be resolved. This Three of Wands is telling me that you are working towards something, and something big. Okay, like you are going to start new business, or you are going to study your higher studies from abroad, and you are just planning and doing hard work towards your studies or your career situation, or so everything is very competitive around you clearly here. So you are not giving up, and the message is also for you that just don't give up this situation. You are planning and plotting everything, and just you are standing, right? This is your overall energy. You are standing. Okay, this is your ongoing battle, so stay on this. Okay, stay on this and just face this, because something big is here for you. Okay, Three of Wands is also showing me that you are going to be in your some new relationship. Okay, some new relationship, and it's also showing me that you are going to be very vocal. You are going to be very vocal in your upcoming days. Very vocal, like you are going to be very straightforward around your situation. Very conflicting. Very, this is maybe this is your mind situation. Very conflicting. Very tensed. Okay, so yeah, and you are exploring. You are just exploring everything. Three of Wands. It's a card of travel also. You are going to be take some initiative towards what you want. You are standing. That's why you are injured, you are wounded, you are just carrying everything from your past, and you are just very something you want in your life. You are working on it. You are doing hard work on it. You are just planning. You are deciding yourself something which is for you. Two of Wands. It's a card of, clearly just you have to decide your situation. Okay, and it's a card of moving forward. Just leave this situation, leave this environment, and move forward. Okay, Cancer. So yeah, so move forward, and it's a card of happy outcomes. So you have to move from this to this. Three of Wands. Okay, you are going to move here. So yeah, so Cancer, I will pull one card as an outcome for you. What message for Cancer? Message for Cancer. King of Wands. Yeah, look at this Wands card here. All the cards I have received for Cancer is Wands card. King of Wands. After this decision, after this happy outcomes, you are going to be in your power. You have to be in your power, because you suffered a lot with this Nine of Wands. Okay, this King of Wands is clearly telling you, giving you the message that be in your power, and take the things with your head, not with your heart, and just be strong and mature towards what you are deciding. And this is also very independent energy, so you are going to be very independent. This is not a page or knight, this is a king. So you are going to achieve your goals. You are going to achieve your new business, new career, new path, whatever you are planning and standing since long time. You are conflicting your mind and situation. You are conflicting your situation and your life, because you are planning this. Three of Wands. So this is a very positive outcomes for you, Cancer. Three of Wands and the King of Wands. You are going to be in your power. And this card is, if you are not in your, just take care of your self-respect also. This card is also showing me that, King of Wands. Because Cancer is a very emotional star sign for me. Cancer is very emotional, I think. So just don't be emotional all the time, or just be kind, but think also with your head also. Yeah, okay, so King of Wands is your final outcome. So yeah, this is your reading, Cancer. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you.